baby looks beautiful.
Wow, which one is that?
A new puzzle.
Thank
What
you.
out of that? Is that SpongeBob?
What kind of puzzle? Let me see. Is it SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Cool. I love SpongeBob.
You got one for you.
Yeah. Yeah, the same price, I bet.
I don't know. I don't know whose it is.
That's Mommy's.
Ooh.
Open it for me?
Yeah, I will open it for you.
Thanks.
We're opening up Mommy's present?
Yeah.
What do you think she got from Santa Claus? Wow.
Let me see.
Recipe book.
Wow.
Here you go, Mom.
Wow.
What is it?
Oh, Mommy.
I'm excited.
What? It's the Biggest Loser. It's the Biggest Loser. That's your mama.
Out.
Daddy.
Wow, look what Daddy got.
Oh, wow.
What is it?
What is
I
that?
can build my own marshmallow launcher.
I know.
A marshmallow launcher.
It's a Mythbusters
That's awesome.
Oh,
science
wow.
experimentation kit. I can build my own marshmallow launcher.
That's great. Can I play with you next week, Eric?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, what's that?
It's for you too, Daddy.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice
Got lots of
job.
Tommy's.
And these are my new Johnny.
Wow, that's nice.
Did you get?
Yeah.
You just
Give
get a
Mommy.
No, they're all cupcakes on them.
Adrian.
This has coffee and cake.
Adrian.
It was the same too.
Yeah.
Adrian, this is for you.
Santa Claus got you a present.
Bad girl. From
This was a bad girl.
That's why you got a present.
All right, only bad girls get presents.
Thank you. Good, perfect.
Was that jeans? Oh, it's
Yeah,
What is it?
jeans.
jeans.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you, Herbie.
this is your mama.
Herbie the dentist got me candles.
Wow.
Yay! Let's say what Herbie loves me.
I'm gonna marry a dentist. He's little though.
I got stickers.
Oh, wow, whose are those?
Awesome.
Thank you.
Nice sneakers. Wow, take them out of the box.
Very cool. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you always
Wow.
buy those.
New shoes.
Yeah.
Poor Black Kylie had those
Well, let me
shoes.
see them. Let me see them.
Oh, great.
Wow.
Look at that.
Big girl sneakers. She got
Very
50.
pretty.
What's that, seen it?
Yeah.
What's that, from the vampire movies?
Yeah. Of course it is.
I figure everybody your age can play that.
I know.
They know every scene of
Oh,
it.
that is beautiful.
Oh, no, I think this is
Very nice.
Kylie.
Kylie, more presents for you.
I don't know. I didn't write that. It doesn't have a name.
Oh,
Kylie
that's
was
for Mommy.
a very good girl this year.
This is mine.
That's yours. This is yours.
This is yours too.
Wow.
And that's yours.
And my finger.
I'm guessing that's yours.
And
And this is
mine.
buddies and things.
The magnets for the refrigerator.
Yes. I want to eat it.
That's awesome.
What is it?
It's an iPod. Awesome.
Oh.
Speaker
I
docking
gotta
station
eat that.
thing.
Very
For
nice.
you. It's for you, Grandma.
Yeah, Grandma, chocolate. Wow.
I like it from Costco. It's different.
No, I like it.
Oh my goodness!
What is it?
More Weebles!
Oh wow.
Wait, was that Mickey Mouse on there, or who's on there? Wow, it's for your game.
Opening her presents? Yeah. Because she's too slow. Try to open them. We're not going anywhere.
Dora.
This is from Caitlin. Or Frosty. Same difference.
Wow, look at that. What is it?
Look.
Wow.
Kylie.
Who's that from, Jen?
Want to look in the box? Hello.
Kylie, open the
Check and
box.
see if that bacon's
I
done,
wonder
eh?
what this is.
What?
I wonder what this is. Is it a map?
I think it's a poster.
Yes,
Open the other one. I'm running out of film.
Kylie, look in here.
Wow.
A tutu.
A tutu.
Wow.
Wow.
Big tutu.
A big tutu.
Put it on. Let me see.
Yeah, that's because you're 2'2".
No, do I
Would you
Try
want to put it
again.
on?
No, I'm eating.
This is minty.
Oh,
Who
look.
is this?
Look at that.
Who is that?
Who is that? Who is that? Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, it's Mickey Mouse.
Come on, open more. Little blue band.
What's that?
A real baseball. Wow.
Oh, there it is.